Kajingkir kli bansumar ya kamay maryang ba kalong kabakut bat kaba iternat kaway na kakanuhun sang samla balatip kum ka asis wow jong ka World Mission Society Church of God kabaju penlong ya kakam tremon sangubha kabahadu prahajar shispa nya poprasin habaro shitelup kapertai kalami ban penkuj ya kibenta ka suar shilong kirut kikiar ki kendong kenserot ki footpath na kendalat polis bazar GS road hadu motpran Omtang kata kani ka asis wow kala le shibun ki jaj kam isn a kum ka jing ais nam ne blood donation bat ki ju ajing rap ya ki long yeng ki baduk batoy basyam janjar ka asis wow ka don kum bashis pa nyop santali kiri ha ki prahaja tali ki balang ha ka perthai ubasan ki dikhar ubadai ru uwei na ki kanhun jong ka asis wow ulaya tu syapang ka jingmut jong ka asis wow ka badan ka jingmut ka basngau tenat shibun bat uya tu ru ki jing tmu jong ka ha kate ka jing tremon sngubha ka asis wow lawan banyadon lang da uba Everson Kharnayor supervisor ka Shillong Municipal Board bat ka kwang sukhi paryat president ka senglongmi na wa thabru Kabadairu ka Presiden ka Mahila Morcha ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya.
Mawana kini ka kunhun asis wow kabadai ka volunteer group activity jong ka World Mission Society Church of God. Te nukong nusyap nga ay kublay nga ay ngu shisha ya ipa mahabaneng Chris Anusang Hominim bar ya imay mahabaneng Jerusalem at Kumay. Bakila siya ay ngibating siya ni ka burom yung blay ulihim lang baka ni ka kamun sumha kuman sami ki jing cha ki imlang salang bat ngilale ru ya kini ka volunteer activity nadu nang ni namot fran nadu nang ni na kendai la nadu chete chemot fran bat ngilapin khoj ru baro kini ki footpath kini ki chebenta bat kabari cha shidong jong surok bat ngilapin khoj ya kini ki GS road entah ter ngilapin khoj ya ki plastik ya ki plam bat ya ki entah baro ki jaklia kenang ba kibri tin tenat banyai hakani ka jaka kamtam kani ka jaka dik ba jaka pun ba kibri ki bayaj bayang kala le yakani ka volunteer activity kumba rajar hispa new ko prasin habro chitulu ka prethai bat hakani ka nong ba silong nila le yakani ka cleaning drive kumba malau snam parum te tang ka cleaning drive nila le pun jai ki volunteer activity kum ka blood kajing ice nam blood donation nang ta kajingnya sam blanket nang ta kajingnya rap ya ki kilong yeng ki beri ki ba sha jenjar lembak kajing lang shop jeng mariang bat kum ta ter kebat kani kade ka globally kadon kumba kani access wow kade ka kadon kumba shispa nyup santli kiri aki prajar tili ki balang haborok ka perti access wow kade ka kunhun volunteer group activity jong ka balang uglei ka World Mission Society Church of God But kases wow kadon ru kay jumut ka bas mo tenat access kamot taktil pareng kadai ASEZ kabamud save the earth from A to C kamut to penimi ka perthena du basdang du bukut wow kamut WAO kabamud we are one family dela dangi kan thup lang kani kadon ka jumut tongini penim ya ka perthei kum siyeng chisem kajing temu jang ka kani access wow ka don ya ka jing temu pat ya ka kum ka action kai bi kwa ban le lam ta ge nang sanam de baro kani ka jing le jungi ka one way na ka ta ge jing kai jung blei kumba jusu la ikai ngi ardas de menchuwa wong tu ge ki paramarjan kumba ya lati de dagani ka jing le jungi ka long kumbangi Cimkia yakni jing ka jumlai banti yaki para marjan kumia lagi barang taru bagi donru yaka thong bat yaka jing singo baba ba kibri pilong kumchi chiyeng chisem we are like one family bat ka balairu nile ekni ka kam kal jing le mon singo bha ki bolen tere ki kawan bet na ka jing e jengka kemi nomor kum ka donut jeng kemi ngi simenta kanam ba ka imlang sa lang omdon ibe ruba sa hakata ka jisno marway henry bar ni ndak ka jing kmen mat ka jing bari in charge jong tu ka badi pe ya tu ka mut peran kila ai ya ka jingiro but kum ta ngir mis mutanat ban yetri lang nang ni chakma chushu banang tanam ta ka bha kami jong ka imlang sa lang berkelom dukum ka awareness program baru kanugeran kam ya ka jingkoi ya jing suba namata kana mengila ban isuk aga imlang sa lang World Mission Society, Church of God.
Oh, that's nice. That's something each and every one of you.
We came from the group SSWA. SSWA means save the earth from A to Z. And we are one family. So we are conducting this political service for the awareness and for the concern, not cleanliness. So as the Bible teaches us, then we must love God.
Very important.
Since we have the love of God, so we want to share the love to all the people.
I'm very happy to see you. I was cleaning my terrace there and I was thinking, I see all the young girls and people, boys here all around. No? I said, chalo, we are supposed to clean this. And so this area was cleaned by the 6th bar. But after that, we just leave it like this. So myself and my mother, we always clean this place once a month, and sometimes we used to hire people also to clean all the water from here. Because we are living in this area where many kinds of people, like they are coming from different states now. So if we don't keep this area clean, it doesn't look good now. Then how can we say that we are the, what did they say? Make Shillong or make Meghalaya clean or make our country clean, but if our own neighborhood is not clean, so how can we just go and talk about the cleanliness, right? Anyway, what do you want to ask about it?
So, how do you feel about the, like today, we have this event to the SSWA. So what do you have to say about it?
You know, I feel so nice when I see all the young girls that they come out and they clean the street. It's like showing a good example. Like all these shopkeepers, especially the hawkers, we don't mind about if they are selling food or selling anything in the road, but keep it clean. Cleanliness is like godliness, you know. If everything is clean, so like they attract the customers also to come to them and eat food from the whatever, from the street vendors or from the shop. Cleanliness is really like now everybody are crying. The roads are dirty. If we do not start from ourselves, how can we promote people? We should start from ourselves first, like this young girls. You see? So if we start from us, then only we can come near it, right? Because God is always there. Without God, we cannot do anything. Some they said, oh, we cannot see God. How can we believe? But it's not that. I'm not Christian, but still I believe in God. I believe in Jesus Christ. I believe in Him. It's because of Him we are here now. You want me to say about myself? My name is Suzuki Pariat. I am the president of the Senglong Committee of this Wat Phabong area, and at the same time, I am the president of the State Mahila Morcha BJP Meghalaya. So I'm here not because we are from the church myself. I'm very happy because we are praying to one God. God is one, so we should believe in God. Without God, nothing is possible. So with God, everything is possible. We believe in Him. Even though if I have to stand strong together, alone also I don't mind. But we should always respect and believe in God. I think like this, God has sent somebody because I was like, every day I used to see now, I said, what will I do? We need to clean this area, and 15th August is coming, and they are the freedom fighters. They are the one who sacrificed their life for us. We get the independence, you know? So why not clean this? Use it in the right time, the right place, where we really like to see this place, you know? Like we really want to see this beautiful area clean. Anyway, with all your love, I do hope we can, with all the young girls, we can promote this area, we can make it clean. Right? I don't know what to say because I'm not prepared since you tell me say something about yourself. So I'm saying that. I'm very happy to know you all, and I do feel like I'll get connected with you.
Yes.
I hope you can give me your contact number. So wherever you are having this clean, you have this program, do call me. I'll be very happy to be with you all. Anything like, suppose in the church you have some program, please do invite. We are there. You need help, we will help. you want us to cook, we will go and cook and help you. Cleaning, you don't mind. Right? I just want all the young girls, when they grow up, be confident, be yourself. Don't be scared of anything. Yeah, people, they will say, they will talk. Yeah, they just come here just for photograph. Let them say. But you are doing it by example. So that is important. Thank you so much. Thank you.